Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake spicy pork and cheese rolls. They are made of soft bread with grated cheese on top and filled with spicy minced pork. Before mixing the dough we are going to prepare the pork filling. I've got some minced pork from my local butcher, which we are going to mix with chili paste and a pork spice mixture from the same butcher. Put it all into a bowl and mix well. Now we are going to divide the pork into 5 pieces of 60 grams each. Shape your pieces of pork into rolls of 12 centimeters. Now cut them in half, so in total we will have 10 pork rolls. Put your pork into the fridge, this way they will get more firm, which makes it easier to wrap your dough around it. Now it's time to start with our dough. We will need all-purpose flour, milk, butter, dry yeast, salt, caster sugar and grated cheese to put on top of the buns. Put your warm milk, yeast and sugar into a bowl and mix well. When everything is well mixed, you can add your flour. Start mixing slow until a dough has formed. This will take around 2 minutes. And then mix fast for around 4 minutes. Your dough is not finished yet. Now it's time to add your salt and butter. Now mix slowly again until most of the butter is mixed into your dough. Then mix fast again until your dough looks smooth and extensible. This will take around 2 minutes. As you can see, I am able to stretch my dough and look through it. That's what you want. Take a bowl like mine, grease it with some oil and put your dough in it. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour you will see that the dough got double in size. Now you can deflate it. Divide your dough into 10 pieces. First shape them round. And then shape them like this. Cover your dough pieces and let them rest for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes have passed, you can uncover your dough. Now flatten your dough and fold your pork into it. Now we are going to cover our rolls with grated cheese. Take your pork roll and grease it with some egg. This will give a nice color and the cheese won't fall off. Cover them and let them rest for another 30 minutes. And then they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.